Today, we're celebrating Wilma Rudolph by making an Olympic gold medal.
Gather up the supplies that you'll need for this craft. Baking soda, 1 cup. Cornstarch, 1/2 cup. Water, 3/4 cup. A measuring cup and pan. The stove and spoon. Parents use the stove only. A circle cookie cutter. Gold paint. Ribbon. Clear acrylic spray sealer. And a marker.
We're going to need 1 cup of baking soda. I'm using 1/2 cup, so I'm going to take 2 of this. Next, we're going to take 1/2 cup of our cornstarch. We're going to take our cornstarch and put it in our pan with our baking soda.
We need water.
Yes, we're going to take 3/4 of a cup of water and we're going to mix it with our cornstarch and baking soda. But we're going to do this part on the stove. This part is just for parents.
For parents only. For parents only.
Now that we've let our concoction cool about 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to take it, roll it out on a flat surface, and shape our Olympic gold medals. Using a rolling pin, we're going to roll it out flat.
Okay.
You ready? Let's go. Once we've rolled out our dough and it's not too thin, we're going to use a cookie cutter or some type of circle shape to make our Olympic gold medals. Using our cookie cutter, we're going to just press down into the dough. Zakai, you want to make the first one?
Yeah.
Press this down into the dough. You're going to have your nice circular shape. You're going to take your straw and you're going to insert it right up here at the top of your circle, of your medal, so that it has the hole there for your ribbon. You just poke it down in there, turn it around, nice and slowly, nice and gently, and then you'll have your perfect circle right here for your gold medal. So once you have your perfect circle from your straw, you'll be ready to let your gold medals dry overnight. Then tomorrow you can come back with your gold paint and you can paint it and hang your ribbon. Hey guys, we're back and we've let our medals dry overnight. So we have a nice hard medal at this point. And so we're going to lay it down on our piece of paper, our construction paper, to make sure that we don't get our table dirty. And we're going to paint it with our metallic gold paint. So let's open it up. I'm going to paint for a little bit on your medal. I'm going to give you a little bit as well. And we're just going to paint them. We're going to paint our medals gold, guys. So this way we're taking our white medals and we're making them into Olympic gold medals like Wilma Rudolph. Okay, so now we have our gold medals. They are all metallically painted and pretty, and we've had them dry actually outside in the sun. So now we're ready to spray them with our translucent glossy coat.
Make sure the spray is being sprayed by a parent in a well-ventilated area.
Okay guys, so we're back. We've let our gloss dry on our medals. So now we're ready, the gloss was the shiny part that went on the medals. So now we're ready for the last steps before we get to wear it. So what we need to do is we're going to take our ribbon. We have ribbon right here, all ready to go. I'm going to string it through the holes that we've already made. Okay. So I've got my ribbon here. I'm going to leave it open because I didn't leave very much ribbon here, so I'm going to just tie it around their necks. So got my second piece of ribbon here. I'm going to try to make sure that each piece of ribbon is relatively even on both sides. Okay. All right. So my next step is to add just a little bit of shine, just a little bit of extra pizzazz to these medals. I'm going to write with my Sharpie marker here a number 1. Because we're number 1, right?
Yeah. the door on it.
I can. Look, it's a Sharpie. And it's dry. I'm going to write a big 1.
Wow.
Because number 1 is the winner.
That looks so real.
Just like Wilma Rudolph was number 1. So I got a 1 right here on this one.
No, not a 1.
That is a 1. That's a fancy one. I'm going to make a number 1 here on this medal here.
2, 3, 1.
Number 1.
No, a 2 and a 1 and 3.
That is so true. Okay, so Zakai, let's do you first. We're going to give you your own gold medal. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to tie it just right here. You're officially a gold medal winner. Congratulations. And Nehemiah, come on, step right up. It's your turn. And Nehemiah, you are officially number 1 as well. So, how do you like your medals, guys?
It's awesome.
Turn it around so they can see it. Sit up. There you go, number 1. We're number 1 around here, guys.
Subscribe to our channel.